President Emerson Mnangagwa's deputies were reportedly absent from a crucial Politburo meeting chaired by President at the party's headquarters in Harare. Sarabenda Mashko Branyo Kachinzi Mnangagwa deputies skip Politburo meeting. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibina Pangweno Mzim Aimo Branyo Kamchinzi. The absence of Vice President Constantino Chiwenga and Kembo Mohadi was immediately noticeable with their designated seats remaining unoccupied throughout the meeting. At the same time, the senior party leaders attended proceedings at the ZANU-PF headquarters. In a development that quickly sparked speculation within political circles, senior party officials Opam Chimburi and Patrick Namasa were still occupying seats near Mnangagwa during the gathering. ZANU-PF yet issued no official explanation at the time of application regarding the alleged absence of Chiwenga and Mohadi. The development comes amid growing factional tensions and the renewed succession debates within the ruling party, despite Mnangagwa repeatedly insisting that discussions about his successor are premature. Over the past few years, ZANU-PF has been gripped by internal power struggles linked to the post-Mnangagwa era, with the rival factions reportedly positioning themselves ahead of the party's future leadership transition. Chiwenga, a former army commander who played a central role in the 2017 military intervention that removed former President Robert Mugabe from power, has long been viewed as one of the strongest contenders to eventually succeed Mnangagwa. His political influence within sections of the military and liberation war structures has frequently placed him at the center of succession speculation. Mnangagwa's loyalists, however, have increasingly pushed the 2030 agenda, a controversial campaign seeking to extend his rule beyond the constitutional two-term limit set to end in 2028. The campaign has exposed deep divisions within the ruling party, with some factions reportedly resisting attempts to prolong Mnangagwa's stay in power. The succession issue remains one of the most sensitive subjects in Zimbabwean politics, with the ZANU-PF historically experiencing fierce internal contests over leadership transitions, including the bitter factional wars that culminated in Mugabe's removal in November 2017. Roma developments aripo. Pinagome section menus of Muro Aimot Libam Sorbet each. Subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.